ensemo yende abarai kurwa ensemo eria Abamereria Eserekari nigo bagendera ko mamincha nekirenga je Eserekari KOONIA CHISHARE CHIRE ase company ya SAFARICOM gukora kurwa se mucho Nairobi chobisi chia SKM command sentence mo ya Karen abarai bakorwa na Kalonzo Musyoka Eugene Wamalwa na Rigathi Gachagua nigo boigo batebere Eserekari eyega nigo ebwate obokurumi obwo eganeri gokei.
These instruments represent a dangerous and coordinated assault on Kenya's constitutional framework of public finance management, the long-term integrity of strategic national assets, and already battered public trust in state stewardship. They are being advanced at a moment when Kenya's fiscal credibility is under acute stress, and when the Kenya Pipeline Company IPO has demonstrated what happens when government asset transactions are conducted without transparency and without competitive process or genuine public buy-in. The National Assembly and the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning must reject both instruments in their current form. Article 206 of the Constitution is unambiguous. All public revenue must flow through the consolidated fund and be subject to parliamentary. We underline that.
In the year 2002, Mwai Kibaki, presidential candidate for the opposition then, was announced on 14th of October 2002, when the elections were to be held on 27th. This line catcher to an end is to send William Ruto home. There is no other remedy, because to talk about corruption and bribery, he has made bribery a way of life. Is a new normal in this country, where he is bribing people on the loans of State House, where he's carrying money with sacks across the country, and he has laid it bare. So the police are asking, if the president is bribing people, why is he crying when we are being bribed? You know, he's the one who has set the standard for the country, and it's a very sorry state of affairs that can only be corrected on the ballot, because I don't think William Ruto can change. We have given up. I tried when I was deputy to ask him to stop lying, and he was very irritated that I can